Students, now we solve question number 16. In question number 16, the question is, what are the possible expressions for the dimensions of the cuboid whose volumes are given below? You all know how the cuboid looks. I am doing it is the cuboid. Its length, it is width, and it is height. That means cuboid has 3 dimensions: length, breadth, and height. Sometimes we will say depth. Okay. So we have given the volume of this cuboid, and the formula of volume is L into B into H is equal to 3x square minus 12x cubic units. Clear? So we will write here volume of cuboid is equal to 3x square minus 12x cubic units. Let length is equal to L, breadth is equal to B, and height is equal to H. Then volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H is equal to 3x square minus 12x given. Now the right hand side is 3x square minus 12x. That means this part is the product of 3 brackets or 3 numbers or 3 expressions. How we find it? Simply we can take common here. We can take 3 also common. Between 3 and 12, HCF is 3. So we can take 3 common from the numeral part, and from the variable part we can take least value of the least power of the variable, that is x. So we will take x common. Now 3x is common from 3x square minus 12x. So what we get inside? When 3x square is divided by 3x, we will get x minus here 4. Now we can write this as 3 into x minus 4, and here L into B into H. Now students, it is not mean that length is 3, B is x, and H is 3x minus 4. It can be, because if we take length is x, breadth is 3, height is x minus 4, or we can take length is x minus 4, breadth is 3, height is x, or we can take length is x, height is 3, breadth is x minus 4. That means we can take any value of length, breadth and height, or any expression of length, breadth and height. But we have to write one single possible expression. So one possible expression is length is equal to 3 units, breadth is equal to x units, and height is equal to x minus 4 units. So students, similarly you can solve the second part of this question. So here we end our chapter number 2. Clear? Now we proceed to the next chapter. Thank you.